If you're doing push-ups like this, you're wasting your time. Push-ups. Everyone does them. Anywhere, anytime, no equipment. And yeah, they should build your chest, shoulders, and arms like crazy. But here's the truth no one tells you. Most people are wasting their time, not because push-ups don't work, but because they're doing them wrong. They chase reps, 20, 30, maybe even 50, but their body, loose, unstable, half effort, and that's exactly why they don't see real results. So today, we fix that. Here are 4 rules that will instantly upgrade your push-ups. Rule 1. Lock your body like a steel bar. This is where most people fail. A push-up is not just arms and chest. Your entire body should be working. But what do most people do? Sagging hips, arched lower back, zero core tension. That's not a push-up, that's a shortcut. Instead, tighten your core, squeeze your glutes, tuck your hips slightly. Your body should form a straight, solid line from head to heels. Yes, it'll feel harder. Good, that's how you know it's working. Rule 2. Fix your arm position. There's no one perfect width. Wide, normal, close, they all work. But there is one big mistake you must avoid: flared elbows. If your elbows are shooting straight out to the sides, you're putting your shoulders at risk, and over time, that leads to pain or worse. Instead, keep your elbows slightly tucked, not glued to your body, not fully flared, somewhere in between. Think controlled and natural, not forced. Also, stack your wrists under your shoulders for better balance and strength. Blast Rule 3. Stop cheating your range. Half reps equals half results. Simple. If you're only going halfway down or not fully pushing back up, you're limiting your gains. A real push-up looks like this: all the way down, chest close to the ground; all the way up, arms fully extended, and your body stays straight the whole time. No head dipping, no hips dropping. Control every inch of the movement. Brain Rule 4. Control your shoulder blades. This is the part almost nobody talks about. Your shoulder blades should move, not stay stiff. As you go down, they come slightly together. As you push up, they spread apart. But here's the key: stay in control. Don't just drop down and let gravity take over. That's how injuries happen. Instead, lower yourself with tension, push up with intent. Your shoulders should feel active, not loose. Warning, final truth: when you apply all of this, your push-ups will feel way harder. You might go from 30 reps down to 10, and that's perfectly fine, because those 10 reps are actually building muscle. And stop chasing numbers, start chasing perfect reps. Do it right, and your body will show it. Try this today and feel the difference instantly. And if you want more no BS fitness tips like this, hit subscribe and level up.